Breaking news out of Corona. A 4.1 magnitude earthquake shook the area just before 2 o'clock this afternoon. NBC4's Hetty Chang is live in Corona with the latest. Hetty.
Hey there, Annabelle. You know, I'm sure everybody is asking each other the very same question. That's, did you feel it? And if you talk with folks here in Corona, the answer is definitely yes. We got here maybe around 2:30, and we talked with several folks who said, yes, they definitely felt it. They describe it less of a jolting motion and more like a swaying and rolling. We were covering a story earlier in the city of Tustin, and I got to tell you, had I not been shooting an interview at a library where it was really quiet, we probably wouldn't have noticed it at all. But there was a lady I was interviewing. She stopped during the interview and said, wait a minute, was that an earthquake? And then we kind of noticed the slight swaying motion. My photographer, Eduardo Santiago, he had said that he had noticed the shaking of the building. But I want to talk with Adam here, who says that he did certainly feel it. Adam, tell me your first and last name.
Adam Morioki, my first and last name.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Tell me what you were doing, what you heard, what you saw, and what you felt.
So I was coming upstairs from making breakfast, or lunch actually, and I closed my door, and when I closed my door, I noticed it starts shaking like back and forth, like kind of like that swaying motion you mentioned. And I checked to see if my window was open. Nope, the window was closed. But then outside we saw the trees shaking as well. And that's when we knew, oh, it's an earthquake happening.
Okay, and that was my next question, if you realized whether it was an earthquake or not. Was anything else happening around you? Did you notice anyone noticing the earthquake, or was it kind of like business as usual?
It was kind of business as usual. My mom was in the kitchen downstairs, but she didn't really feel it. I live in a two-story house, so we kind of felt it more upstairs. But I knew it happened because immediately my family started calling me, asking if I felt it. So, yeah.
And what did you tell them?
I was like, oh, yeah, did you guys feel it? And they were like, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no reports of any damages? You didn't see any cracks or things falling off the shelves? Tell me about that.
No, I went outside to check the gas line, first of all, just to make sure that there was nothing leaking. But other than that, no, nothing really happened. It was kind of just like a moderate earthquake, kind of like a slight shake.
Okay, and we were talking earlier that you grew up here, and so you're kind of used to earthquakes?
Yeah, I grew up here, born and raised in Corona, 23 years. This wasn't really anything too big, I would say. It was kind of more just like a little slight like jump, you know, make sure you're awake. Yeah.
Adam, thank you so much. Certainly caught people by surprise for sure, but that's what we're hearing from a lot of folks here in Corona, that yes, they definitely felt it. They would describe it kind of as a light to moderate shaking. Again, a lot of people say it wasn't really a big jolt, but more like a swaying, rolling motion. We checked in with the Corona Police Department as well as the Corona Fire Department. Both of them say, look, good news is no reports of any injuries or damages, but of course they're still assessing at this moment. This earthquake struck, according to the USGS, right around 1:49. It was a 4.1. But we're getting calls into the newsroom from people from the Palisades, from Whittier, from Laguna Niguel, the Orange County areas, the canyon areas like Santiago Canyon. People felt it in Boyle Heights, in Costa Mesa. The city of Anaheim sent out an alert describing it as a brief rolling earthquake in Anaheim. But again, there no reports of any injuries or damages. But of course, a lot of the first responders, they're still going out and trying to assess the situation here. But again, a 4.1 earthquake here in the city of Corona felt pretty widely across our region. Annabelle, back to you.